Hi guys, welcome to our project to DrinkCrafter website presentation. I'm Yahui Zhang.
I'm Xiangyue Zhang.
Welcome to the DrinkCrafter. Here's the description of our website. The DrinkCrafter is a web project for drink enthusiasts. It's a user-friendly platform to connect, share, and discover unique cocktail recipes and liquor facts with like-minded people. Our target users are basically the millennials and the Gen Z alcohol lovers. We found the facts that the percentage of US adults aged 18 and older who said they drink alcohol average is 63% over the past 2 years. And if you click here, you can see the source link, source website. And for the personal story, here are 3 people. The first one is a 28 years old bartender who said, I want a platform to showcase my unique cocktail recipes and connect with others in the industrial. And the second person is a liquor lover who is 35 years old. And he said that I'm interested in sharing my knowledge about various types of liquor and learning fun facts from others. And the last person is a home bartender, a student who is 24 years old. She said that I'm looking for a platform to discover new recipes, collect my favorites, and share creations with friends.
So this is our homepage, and this is what the users see when they open our website. As the very first thing that is displayed to the user, we wanted to be clearly demonstrate what are the key contents of our website, which are the recipes and fun facts sharing. Meanwhile, from the design perspective, we don't want to include too much text to have the users take too much time to understand. So we choose to use card display with images that match the theme of each page. And for the recipe and collection page, the image to the right is our recipe page. Each card represents a recipe that was posted by the user. And the rainbow color button above is the filtering function. And users can use this button to filter by base alcohol they want to use. For this page, I use MongoDB for storing data and use JavaScript to extract data from database and dynamically render information on the page. For filtering, I ask users to choose the base alcohol they want to use when posting recipes. So I can assign a base field for each item and only render corresponding recipes on the page when being filtered. The collection uses the same JavaScript render structure as this page. And when users add recipes to their collection, they will be stored in the collection field in their username information in our database. And only recipes that were collected by this user will be rendered on the collection page after they log in. Therefore, users are able to see their own collection once logged in, and they are also able to remove recipes from their collection. So when they click on the Post New Recipe link, they will be redirected to this form for entering new recipes. Everything that's entered to this form will be stored in our MongoDB database and will be showing on the recipes page. However, there are still things that can be modified in the future. For instance, right now the form only allows entering image URL for the drinks rather than files. And this might cause copyright issues, and the source is not guaranteed to be reliable in the long term. So as we continue learning more about web development, I will try to adjust this and allow users to directly upload image files instead. And on the recipe page, each card has a button that at the bottom that leads to their detailed pages containing detailed recipe and ingredients. And I also use JavaScript to dynamically render the information about each drink. However, when developing this page, I encountered the challenge of generating a unique page link for each drink dynamically. It took me a little bit more time to implement this than the filtering function, since the ID is generated automatically by MongoDB, And it took me some more time to get to know its type and know how to convert to be used to my code. And on this page, users are able to add to their collection when clicking on the collect button.
And next, here is the fun facts page. On this page, you can discover the different fun facts based on the different base liquor. In the form on the top of this page, you can input the fun fact with the alcohol and also the trustworthy source to make the facts reliable. And you can also choose the category, which based on the base liquor, like rum, whiskey, and you can just click post button to post your facts on this page. On the left side of this page, here are the categories of each fact. Explore facts categories by the base drink tabs, making it easy to find interesting facts related to your chosen base liquor. And on the right side of the page, here are some different facts, and it also shows the different color tags based on the base liquor. And also you can vote for these facts, get involved in your community by voting these facts you find most interesting, mind-blowing, or simply just false. So other users can see if these facts are true or surprised or just faked. And here is the login and sign up system. I creating the user information and realize login and sign up function on this system. After you log in, it can just direct to the homepage. I use the Bootstrap card template to realize this login and system page. And I also use MongoDB to store and verify the user information. And also, after you log in, I use the Express session to store data within a session and then read and update this database between different user requests. And after you log in, the login and sign up button on the homepage will disappear. And instead, you will see start your journey here and your username. And also for the hamburger button, after you log in, the login option just disappear and it will show hi, like for example, Zoe. So next, welcome to our demo website page. So here is our homepage, DrinkCrafter. On the top of the page, you can see welcome to DrinkCrafter and two buttons, which are login and sign up. So first we can sign up as a new user. I can just name Rebecca and password. If you sign up, you will just jump to the login page. So I just log into the account I just created. And it will come back to the homepage. And here, it will show start your journey here, Rebecca. So let's just explore fun facts. On this page, you can just post fun facts that you want to share with others. For example, I just want to share, I created this page for sharing facts. And trustworthy source, I just type in my website's link and I choose wrong. After post, if you refresh the page, the facts just show here. And for the category, if you just want to explore some fun facts for the rum, you can just click rum. So the fun facts about rum will show on the right side. The whiskey and tequila Volga. And if you want to see all of the fun facts, you can just click all. And for all these facts, you can vote for these facts. For example, I want to show interesting about this one. I just clicked here and the number will become to 1. And if I think this one is fake, I can click here. Yeah, that's the fun fact page. And for the hamburger button here, will show my name, Rebecca. And if I want to leave this page, I just can click log out. So it just back to the home page and you can sign up or log in with other account.
So now back at the home page, and I'm gonna log into my user account. And now it shows my username here. So when I click on the exploring recipes, the users can see this recipe exploration page. And the button here allows filtering by base alcohol. As you can see, if I choose whiskey, only recipes that uses whiskey as base alcohol will be shown. And the clear filter here will clear all the filters and show everything is in this page. So the post new recipe button here redirect the users to the form for posting. And as an example, I'm gonna post a drink. And the base alcohol, I'm gonna choose vodka. So after I submit, it's gonna show submit successfully. And the page will be refreshed automatically. And the new recipe will be shown here. And since I chose vodka, when I click on vodka, the new recipe will be shown here. And so on this page, the explore button here will redirect users to this detailed recipe page, and it shows the key ingredients and detailed recipe. And this page is also dynamically rendered by JavaScript. And if I click the collect button here, this drink will be collected to my user's account. So if I go to my collection page, the drink I just added will be shown here. And the remove button here will remove the drink from my collection. So if now I click on my collection again, there will be no drink here.